In this video we will add 5 revolute joints and 2 ball joints to the model. Again, there is a lot of repetition involved in building such a model. Experience tells us if the model building process includes many monotonous repetitions, it will lead to errors. Thus, always be careful. Here, you may simply skip the parts which do not provide new information. Create a revolute joint with label, swing arm frame revolute joint, in order to add a revolute joint between swing arm and frame. Select swing arm as first body and frame as second body. Select frame swing arm center point as origin point. Align the revolute joint around global Y direction. Create another revolute joint between front fork and frame. Select frame as first body and front fork as second body. Select frame upper point as the origin point, and frame front lower point as the direction point. Create another revolute joint between swing arm and rear wheel. Select swing arm as first body and rear wheel as second body. Select rear wheel center point as origin point. Align the joint around the global Y direction. Create a revolute joint between frame and rear shock left upper bodies. Select frame as first body, and rear shock left upper as second body. Select rear shock upper left point as origin. Align the joint towards the point rear shock upper right. Create a revolute joint between frame and rear shock right upper bodies. Select frame as first body and rear shock upper right as second body. Select rear shock upper right point as origin. Align the joint towards the point rear shock upper left point. Create a ball joint between front wheel and front shock left. Select front wheel as first body, and front shock left as second body. Select the front wheel left point as origin. Repeat the same to create a ball joint between rear wheel and rear shock. Review the model with the joints so far.